Hello and welcome to ICSE Class 10 Maths tutorial. Today I'm going to solve ICSE 2024 examination specimen question paper mathematics. Question number 1. 15 marks question, 15 MCQs I've already done. Today I'm going to do question number 2, second question and first sub question. Before we begin, शुरू करने से पहले आइए आपको एक शायर की 2 लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, एक मोहब्बत ही तो है दुनिया में नफरत का इलाज. एक मोहब्बत ही तो है दुनिया में नफरत का इलाज. ना समझ लोगों को ये कैसे कोई समझाएगा. ना समझ लोगों को ये कैसे कोई समझाएगा. उनकी आंखें भी यकीनन शबनमी हो जाएंगी. उनकी आंखें भी यकीनन शबनमी हो जाएंगी. दास्ताने गम हमारी जब कोई दोहराएगा. दास्ताने गम हमारी जब कोई दोहराएगा. नफरतें मक्कारियां जुल्मों सितम अय्यारियां. मक्कारी shrewdness, सियाणापन, चतुराई, और अय्यारी के माने भी सेम है. मक्कारी अय्यारी सेम. नफरतें मक्कारियां जुल्मों सितम अय्यारियां. नफरतें मक्कारियां जुल्मों सितम अय्यारियां. क्या यही दुनिया से अपने साथ लेकर जाएगा. क्या यही दुनिया से अपने साथ लेकर जाएगा. थैंक यू. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सेकंड क्वेश्चन and first sub question. The question is, shown below is a horizontal water tank composed of a cylinder and 2 hemispheres. The tank is filled up to a height of 7 meters. Find the surface area of the tank in contact with water. Use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. This is the question. Figure is given. Alright. A horizontal tank, water tank, composed of a cylinder and 2 hemispheres on either side. Alright. And it is filled with water up to 7 meter height. The tank is filled up to a height of 7 meters. And if you see the figure, 7 meters is the radius of the hemisphere. Alright. Total is 14. You see the figure, everything is clear. Total is 14. You see, total is 14. Half of 14 is 7. 7 meters is the radius of the hemisphere. And the total height, including the 2 hemispheres on either side, this is your cylindrical tank. ये सिलेंडर ऐसे नहीं है, ऐसे है. then also this is the height of the cylinder. All right. Normally cylinder is like this. This is the height of the cylinder, and then we find out the curved surface area, which is 2 pi RH. All right. Curved surface area is 2 pi RH. We find out. तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये ऐसे नहीं होकर के ऐसे, then also the curved surface area is 2 pi RH. All right. H will be this. Fine. In our case, the water tank is like this, horizontal, and at the two ends there are two hemispheres like this, one like this and like this. अब इसी हेमिस्फीयर के हिसाब से इसका वो है रेडियस है. अब आप ये मत सोचिए कि ये तो बहुत पतला है और ये हेमिस्फीयर बड़ा है, ये मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए ले रखा है. ऑलराइट. तो दिस इज द वाटर टैंक. ऑफ कोर्स ये इसकी चौड़ाई ज़्यादा है. एट द टू एंड्स दीज आर द टू हेमिस्फीयर्स. ऑलराइट. आप देखेंगे फिगर में यहाँ से लेकर के और यहाँ तक दिस टोटल डिस्टेंस इज हाउ मच 34 मीटर. ऑलराइट. तो अगर आप इधर से, बिकॉज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस हेमिस्फीयर इज 7, अगर ये 7 इधर से निकाल दीजिए और ये 7 इधर से निकाल दीजिए, सो दिस रिमेन्स. दैट मीन्स 7 plus 7, 14. If you subtract from the total 34, you get 20 as the height of the cylinder. Alright, clear? Fine. अब दूसरी बात एक और समझें. We have to find out the surface area of the tank in contact with water. Surface area of the tank in contact with water. वो देखिए. तो ये 7 मीटर तक है, मतलब हाफ. ठीक है. तो हाफ का मतलब ये हो गया कि अगर आप ऐसे समझे, देखिए हाफ का मतलब ये आप निकाल दीजिए. ठीक है. ये इतना वाटर है यहाँ तक, ये हाफ. वैसे इधर से भी आप हाफ निकाल दीजिए, ये वाटर. ठीक है. Alright. Now we have to, so that means this is quarter circle. Alright. And this is also quarter circle. Alright. This is also quarter circle. क्योंकि टोटल मिलाएंगे तब ना ये हाफ होगा. हेमिस्फीयर ये तो यहीं तक वाटर है ना. हाफ टोटल इज 14, हाफ रेडियस इज 7, 14 is the diameter. Alright. तो quarter circle this side, quarter circle this side. Total will be what? Like this. Alright, like this. So that means we find out the surface area of a sphere, which is 4 pi r square, and then half of that will be 2 pi r square. That much area will be in contact with water. Apart from half of this curved surface area is 2 pi RH, तो उसका आधा pi RH. So pi RH this, and this will be 2 pi R square. अब आप बात समझें, because so see the difference between the two. It's a hemisphere, and I am saying that 2 pi R square, because total का क्या होता है 4 pi R square. Sphere का surface area or total surface area, whatever you say, that is 4 pi r square. So half of that is 2 pi r square. So I am talking about this only, because once it is open now, and if you talk about the surface area, total surface area of a hemisphere, in that case you have to add this also, which is pi r square. But no, we are talking, because water is in contact with this area, no, this part. Alright, ये तो close हो गया, right? This part. Alright. इससे कुछ मतलब नहीं है. So total surface area of a hemisphere will be this area plus this area also, but we are not talking about this area, because the water जो है इसके टच पे है, जो कि 4 pi r square का आधा है 2 pi r square. I think I made everything very, very clear, isn't it? Okay, now go ahead. So we can write down R is equal to 7 meter. R is equal to 7 meter. R is equal to 7 meter. Alright, and H is equal to total 34 as I explained to you minus 14. So H is equal to 34 minus 14, and this gives you 20 meter. Is it? So 20 meters is the height of the cylinder. Alright. So H we know, R we know. Subtraction also we have shown. Now the surface area of the tank in contact with water. The surface area of the tank in contact with water. The surface area of the tank. The surface area of the tank the surface area of the tank, you write full, the surface area of the tank in contact with water, and that is equal to what we discussed, 2 pi r square. Alright, 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square plus pi r h pi r h pi r h. Is it? Now pi r is here, pi r is here also. We can take pi r common. If you don't want to take common, it's okay. You can substitute here only the value of r and that of h. But I am taking common. Pi r I am taking common. Pi r is out, and in bracket we are getting how much? Pi r is out. So 2r plus h. Agreed? 2r plus h. Now we substitute the values. Pi means 22 upon 7 given. 22 upon 7 given. And 2r. I am showing all these steps. 2r, 2 into 7. 2 into 7 plus h is 20. Alright, and now this is equal to can I rub this, the upper part? This is equal to, we can write down no, pi and r I didn't write down. R should be there, no? This is only pi. R is also there, no? So I should write down 22 upon 7 into 7. Alright? So let me do that correction. 22 upon 7 into 7. 22 upon 7 into 7. Alright? Pi r. 2r plus h. Fine. Now see the cancellation. This 7 is cancelled with this 7. How much is remaining? 22, and in bracket 7 to the 14 plus 20. I am writing all these steps. So that is equal to 22. That is equal to 22. And in bracket 14 plus 20. What do you say? Fine. And this is equal to how much? Uh, 22 into 34. Now if you multiply, you cannot do this orally, you have to do some working, so that working you show. The working should be a part of the solution. Alright, so show the working. 30. I know the answer, I have done the calculation, but I am showing you the multiplication. 34 multiplied by 22. 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6, again 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6. When you add, you get here 8. 8 plus 6, 14, 4. And 6 plus 1 is 7. This much. 748 meters square. So we get 748. 748 meters square. And this is the answer. This is the answer. What's the answer? Yeah, 748 meters square is the answer. Alright, so I hope it's very, very clear. Now, second sub question in my next video. Okay then, thank you so much. Thanks.